An awesome idea to create your YouTube channel without showing your face or your voice, just by coloring some drawings and some pictures. Yes, just by coloring pages. And now let me show you some amazing channels that get huge profits of that idea. Let me show you, like this wonderful channel, Kimmy the Clown. Kimmy the Clown. This entire channel is based on creating videos about coloring pages of illustrations and some drawings, as you see, like this video for coloring a turkey, and for this Coco, Super Mario, and something like that. And she teaches children how to draw some illustrations or some cartoonic characters and so on, like Strawberry, SpongeBob, Disney characters, Elsa and Anna, and something like that. And if we have a look at its profits on Social Blade, for example, you will be shocked unbelievably. As you see, this amazing channel gets about $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month. And of course, there are some similar channels like this amazing one, Play Disney Friends. The same content, just to provide some videos without showing your face or your voice, and just coloring some pages, some drawings, some illustrations. You have to add coordinated colors, and it's an art, by the way, as you see, without showing your voice or your face. Okay, and it gets a lot of views, as you see. And if we have a look at the profits on Social Blade as well, you will find this wonderful channel gets about $30,000 a month. If we have a look at some other channels that provide the same content, like this one, Colorful Creative Kids, as you see, all the videos about coloring some drawings like dinosaurs, cats, mermaids, trucks, cars, and so on. Or this amazing channel, Paintify Acrylic Paint. Okay, the same content, just coloring some pages, some drawings, like this one, for example, coloring pages TV, as you see, coloring some animations like Black Adam, Deadpool, and so on. Some animation characters for children. And the big question comes up, where we can get all these drawings or these coloring pages? The best answer is to avoid the copyright violation or to get a watermarked material is just by joining some premium websites. And the best one is Creative Fabrica, because in this beautiful marketplace you will find huge amounts of coloring pages for both adults and for kids. As you see, coloring books adults and coloring books kids. Here you can find thousands of coloring pages for any niche, for any field, for any topic. Or you can search here anything like cars, for example, cars coloring pages, mermaid coloring pages, dinosaurs coloring pages, and so on. And then you can get hundreds of these beautiful coloring pages that you can present in your YouTube videos, as you see, like this one for trucks, planes, drones, boats, and so on. Just you can color all these pages through your YouTube videos, and in the end you will get huge profits as the previous channels I have shown in this video. And to this end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.